Sup guys, Ben here, and today we are doing the American taste test. So I've been wanting to do this for quite a long time. I haven't told you on my channel yet, but yeah, we're also joined again with Indy.
We need to sweeten up our mouth because we just did the Tabasco challenge, which is horrible. So let's get into it. We have a lot of things here. We only have like 5, but still. So,
And this is all American, okay?
So let's dip. Okay, close your eyes, don't look. What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get? Oh,
alright. So we have peppermint crisps.
Peppermint
By
crisps.
Nestle.
Looks nice.
So that's going to be our first one. Let's open it up.
Ooh, it's got like this green weird stuff. I'm gonna fry at the bag.
The heck?
What the hell is that? What? No, wait.
Oh, perfect. Holy cow.
What's that green? What the
There's
hell?
peppermint. That looks awesome.
But it looks weird. It looks like an
Right.
alien or something.
Let's
so.
go.
Quite crystal me. Pretty good. Out of 10.
Alright, wait.
We're gonna score it out of 10.
Just give it a good taste. Wow. That's actually pretty damn good.
Out of 10.
Alright. You go first.
Okay. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. No, actually, no, 6.5 out of 10. That's more like it.
Well,
Wasn't my favourite.
I actually quite like it. I'm gonna give it. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
No,
I actually really liked it.
No, I don't really like it. You know how it gets stuck
Right,
in
your
your
turn.
teeth?
Next one. We have. Ooh.
Nutter Butter Bites. Don't know what these are.
They look not too bad.
They look interesting. I'm excited to dig into these.
Alright.
They're like, they're like mini like waffles with peanut butter in them.
They're quite small, but
But let's just, yeah, that's my game. I feel so American now. Those are good.
that's yum.
I love them.
That's actually nice. Well, I'm gonna have to rate that.
Peanut sandwich it says.
Yeah.
Peanut butter cookie sandwich. Out of 10.
Just have one after.
I'm sorry, I love them. Okay.
I'll say probably another 9 out of 10. That was actually pretty good. I like
10. I'm out. Yo, I love them. They're amazing. Really good. Okay.
Right,
So you
the
get
next
this
one.
one.
Alright,
What?
for this one we have, oh my gosh,
Well, they're already open.
Jaffa cakes.
Jaffa cakes. Don't know. They're very American. No idea what they're like. Let's see.
Just wait.
So they're like, I think that's a Jaffa in the middle. I'm not sure, but it's like all soft. Oh, look, it's like soft pastries kind of.
Looks nice. Alright, 3.
I'm scared.
Mmm.
They've got Jaffa jelly basically.
That's quite yum.
That tastes like the Tabasco sauce, that orange stuff that we just showed. Probably just with the flavour in there. It's like a marshmallow biscuit with chocolate and jelly. I don't know.
That's not that bad. I quite like that.
I don't like it.
It tastes like in the middle there's some like gel. It's maybe.
No.
I have no idea.
Okay. I have to eat it, don't I?
Yep. What do you like about it?
Oh,
having a spaz attack.
Whew! Gone. I'll give it 4 out of 10.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Right. The
Last
last one.
No, I get to choose it because you put out the
Well,
first
that's
one.
the last one, basically. So
Okay.
we have M&M cookies.
Woohoo! Yay! Oh, my voice cracked. Okay. Let's open these.
I'll do it.
No! What the hell? I got them and that's my. So basically,
They're so
cookies
small.
with M&Ms. What is America though?
Well,
Yours looks like munted. I love M&Ms. The cookie dough isn't perfect, but the M&Ms are quite nice. That really reminds me of America. In America, you can get these like trail mixes, and they're just delicious. That's all we have, really. That's really prefer. We got so full of drink, we're gonna get.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
I love these.
I hate that.
What? You don't like it?
That's... I don't like that, actually.
I don't mind it.
What would you rate it?
My favorite. 6. This is my favorite one. Definitely. The peanut butter sandwich cookies. They're my favorite.
Alright.
Really nice. Okay.
And my one
What was it about?
is going to have to be...
Is it peppermint? It's like that, isn't it?
Same.
Same.
Actually, I really like that.
Actually, really like them. Yeah.
So,
So if you see these in the supermarket, they'll be in the international section.
in New Zealand, they'll
In
be
New Zealand
in
at Countdown on Jervois Road. These are the best things, best snacks you can get that I recommend from America.
Oh well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video on American Taste Test with my friend Indy. He's in a couple of videos with his cousin.
I'm like a concert.
Yeah. What videos did you go on again?
Apparently it's very boring dancer. I don't recommend you go watch it, so I'm not going to try the challenge. Never mind.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. What I said before, American Taste Challenge, try it, it's really nice. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Hope you have a good day, and this was 2 video on the weekends. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video on the weekdays. See ya, laters. Bye.